China says the number of people infected by a mysterious respiratory virus has more than tripled over the weekend. There are now 218 confirmed cases of the new coronavirus.
Deadly virus back to this seafood market in the city of Wuhan. They say a new strain of coronavirus originated here and put an entire region on virus. CNN has obtained this video inside the market, showing that more than seafood was on offer for sale. Images of this summer taken by extreme customers is done other large oil six
small businesses that make a lot of money. We're talking about merchandise, that may not spoil or is now on lockdown. The vendors of Italy is now on lockdown due to the coronavirus. Italy's prime minister making the announcement at a news conference just minutes ago that the country was
under control. It's going to be just fine.
Is it set?
Just as we planned.
Players in place?
Yes.
Can't afford a mistake.
We've got too much riding on this.
We are about to take over the world.
6 months?
Maybe sooner if the politicians are true to form.
They can't help themselves.
Easy to predict. Headlines, handshakes, and hot lights.
They can't resist the glory. In the media?
Easy to predict as well. They're helpless against themselves.
And the people?
Sheep to slaughter.
At their own hands.
We are about to take over the world without a fight.
Yeah, they won't know a thing before it's too late.
Because they couldn't think and wouldn't listen.
The people or the politicians?
All of them.
6 months.
Maybe sooner.
Then we wait.
That's the plan. China. Rate of infection. Rate of death. Politicians. Media. Level of panic. Update in 3 hours. Wuhan will be shut down in 1 week.
And then, the world.
Italy. Rate of infection. Rate of death. Politicians. Media. Level of panic. Update in 3 hours. Italy will fall within 1 week.
Perfect plan.
Italy is saturated with the elderly. Big families, personal contact, recipe for disaster.
All according to plan.
No one was prepared.
And now, our biggest score.
Yes, the United States is least prepared.
Why start with China?
Diet, population, and history.
They do eat strange animals.
Makes it easy to introduce panic into the world. Dense population makes everything easier to spread.
Like a match to a dry forest.
no one suspects a thing. It's happened before.
Makes sense. Why now?
Why not? Predictable reaction. It's happened before.
And the U.S.?
Painfully unprepared. Smart people doing stupid things. They may fall the quickest. So much for their mighty army and their superior intellect. U.S. Rate of infection, rate of death, politicians, media, level of panic, update in 3 hours. People are hoarding toilet paper.
Didn't expect that. Stupid people.
Politicians were briefed by the previous administration, but chose not to prepare.
Idiots. But good for us.
Not enough test kits, ventilators, or masks.
Perfect scenario. Didn't expect that.
People aren't even angry with the government, but that will come.
People are too stupid for democracy.
They believe the media. That's their problem.
But good for us.
Now we wait. The next domino is about to fall.
New York?
Yes, with pleasure. People are asymptomatic.
Don't even know they're infected.
Think they're safe. They're escaping to Florida and North Carolina.
Refusing to quarantine.
Spreading their stupidity.
And this is the greatest country? I think not.
Hoarding toilet paper. Ridiculous.
They don't see that the answer is to do nothing. Just stay at home.
Well, they are working from home. It's the only smart thing they're doing, right?
But enough are violating the ordinance, so the disease is still spreading.
The rebellious die, and the compliant live. Perfect. Perfect for our plan.
Some are buying guns.
Not enough.
Cops are getting sick. Politicians, too.
They won't be able to resist us.
We won't need to fire a shot.
And the media will report everything we feed them.
That's the plan.
And cut! Looks great, you guys. Can I get lights, please?
That last scene feels like it needs a little more work.
I think it's fine. Remember, we don't want realism.
But will they believe it?
Believe what?
That it's a movie.
I don't know. Is the public as stupid as we portrayed them?
They'll tell us with their phone calls and in the comments section.
Another War of the Worlds.
We'll put a message in the opening.
Orson Welles did the exact same thing, and he still created a panic.
Yeah, but we do want them to see their mistakes.
Are they smart enough to realize it?
Oh, that's a good question. What do you think, Director?
We have to try. If no one tries, there's no hope.
If they would only learn to think.
Beyond conspiracy.
Oh, good luck on that.
Look, there's going to be hundreds of people that saw that last part, and they will believe that this is fact.
Like Oliver Stone's JFK.
Yeah, exactly. People will believe that fiction is reality.
Unfortunately, that's what keeps us in business. Their willingness to believe the illusion.
That may be the end of us all.
Yeah, with or without the virus.
Or the media.
Or the politicians.
So, that's a wrap?
Now the real show begins. Let's see how they react. That's a wrap, guys. Shut it down.
Want to go to Linda's party? Can't wait for Linda's party.